Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the January Allure Beauty Box. So this is just a monthly beauty subscription. You get 6 items for $15. And of course it is by Allure, the same people who makes the magazine. So we know they're professional at picking beauty stuff. I really like this subscription. It is one of my favorites. It seems like they always send some really good stuff, and I'm always surprised, and I normally like about everything they send. Okay, so it comes in a box like this. They did try to switch it up and throw a beauty bag in for a while, but the beauty bags they sent didn't work, and I guess they got the memo and they quit. Because there's like these clear bags. Sometimes they'd be like had a color to them, but they always just ripped right down the side. So I am glad we don't get them no more. And when they send it, they send it in a different box. So here is the inside. And a little magazine to tell us about our products. And there's our 6 items. So here is lucky number 1. It's Akara Skin Pure Lip Restore. Okay, and we got 0.23 ounces, which is 7 milliliters. Okay, let me find this. Okay, so this is retailed for full size being $30. I was thinking that we got 2 full size products this month, but I'm not really for sure if this is a full size or not. But this is retailed for $30, and let's look at it. So I don't know, lip stuff, you know, could be this size. Okay, so a little tin container. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Just a balm to help heal your lips. It is softer than what I thought. It don't really have a smell to it. I hate when they have like a medicine smell. It really just drives me crazy. I forget. There's one that I used to use when I was younger, and it really worked, but it just like had that medicine smell to it, and I hated it. Okay, so that's to really get the lips, dry patches and stuff from wind and stuff like that. So it will heal your lips. It's winter time, so that is going to come in really handy. Okay, so now this is a full size, and you could have either got this one, which is the Tarte High Performance Natural Mascara. It's the Gifted Amazon Clay Smart Mascara. You got 7 milliliters, which is 0.24 flow ounces, and we got the color black. So you had a choice between, or not a choice, they chose for you. So you could have either got this one, the Amazon Clay, or you could have got the Lights Camera Action, which I've had that one a few times. I've never tried this one, so this one's gifted, so I'm glad to have it. And I like the wand on this one. It's not like too bulky, but it looks like it'll get in there and get your lashes. So it's probably a really good mascara. I really like Tarte's mascaras. I've always had good luck with them. Okay, so, and it's retailed for $23, and the other one is retailed for $23 too. Okay, so our next thing is Kate Somerville, and this one is a skin health for. It's a Fluorate Kate Intense Exfoliating Treatment. You got 7.5 milliliters, which is 0.25 flow ounces. Now, I've tried a lot of the Kate Somerville stuff. I do like it. I've got some right now I'm using, and I've never had any trouble with their skincare. So it's in a tube like this. And a little smiley face. Oh. So it's like a green color. Kind of like, reminds me of baby stew. Okay, so it's getting gritty. I thought it'd be more gritty, but it don't really, it's got a little bit of a smell to it, but I don't know. I'm not crazy about it. I think it's just because it was green poo looking. That got me. Okay. And it is retailed, if you get a full size, it's $75 for 1.7 flow ounces. Okay, so our next thing is Renewed Hope in a Jar. Philosophic is the brand. Okay, and it's a hydraulic glow moisturizer. You got 7 milliliters, which is 0.23 flow ounces. Now, I've used the Philosophic stuff a lot. I've never had a trouble with them. They've always worked for me. But, like, everybody's skin's different, so you can't say, you know, just because it works for me, it might not work for you. But I think they got about, normally the brands try to make something for everybody. So it's just like a little white cream. I don't smell nothing. So that is retailed for $39 for the full size. Now I think that I would like the full size, because I believe that'd be something, the way it feels would actually really work for me. Okay, so our next thing is the Perfect Shine Oil Mist. Color plus heat protection, phthalate free, natural lab makes it, Tokyo. And we got 1.0 flow ounces, which is 30 milliliters. So it's like an oil. It actually smells good. It smells like hair stuff, but you see it's like really oily. Like, I really need something to lay my hair down. So I was looking for my straightener. I went to the bathroom. It's not there. Last place I straightened my hair wasn't my vanity. So at first I came here. I could not find it. But then I thought maybe I'd take it back to the bathroom. My husband was like, yeah, it was in the bathroom. I took it to the bedroom. I couldn't find it. So I have to find it. I have other ones, but that's just my favorite one. So, okay. So, I don't know. Something with oil, I don't really know if I'd be crazy about, because it seems like certain hair products really just make my hair look greasy and oily. So I'm very careful with what I put on my hair. So I'll give it a try. If it don't work, I'll just gift it to somebody else. But a lot of stuff really just makes my hair feel like yucky, and I don't like it. Okay, and it is actually retailed for $16 for a full size. Okay, so here is our last product. It is the Vitabird C12 Dual Drop Serum. It's age-defying and deep hydration. We did get 0.34 flow ounces, which is 10 milliliters. And a new upgrade of our vitamin C dual serum. Okay, I was reading the little fine print. Okay, I like a good serum. Okay, so here's what it looks like in the bottle. So we got a nice little dopper. It's got a slight smell, nothing really like bad. It's like, the feel of it, I think I will like it. It feels about like any other serum that I use. So, and it is, what is it, does it do? So it's a blend of Vita C, stabilize vitamin C. So it's just like vitamin C. Okay, so I use vitamin C on my face. I use the Sunday Raleigh vitamin C. I've been using it for over a year now, and that's normally what I use, but I'm always up to trying new things, so I'll give this a shot. This month we did get a lot of skincare in here. We got like one makeup item. I'm not going to complain. I'm trying to like get rid of some makeup at this point, because I have bought way too much makeup. So we did get like 6 items. I'll lose everything. And what did I lose? I don't know. But I like the lip stuff. I think that, you know, just this right here is $23, and you paid $15 for the box. So, like, really, you got a discount on the mascara, and you got all these samples for free, which is not a bad deal. I was thinking that we got 2 full-size products this month, which the lip Akara stuff could be full-size. It kind of looks like something that would be full-size for your lips. So these being full-size, you know, you really get a lot with Allure Beauty. I think they send some really good stuff. I have discovered a lot of new favorites with using them. And like every few months they do like a special box, and you get like 3, 4 full size, but they collab with somebody, and you get, like last time was Anastasia Beverly Hills. They've done it with Huda Beauty. They've done it with Nikki Tutorials and Orpha. So, I mean, you get some like really good stuff. So, I've been with them like a year now. I started back like last year at the end of December, right before, because I got my box sets at the same time for December and January, and I've been very, very happy with them. So I guess like this month I give it like a 5 out of 6. I'd give them a 6, but I don't know. I'm not crazy about the hair stuff. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified when I do upload, which is Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.